Guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress teams, and let me do a question. Is your Windows computer taking ages to start up? Loading a lot of programs and problems that keeps your computer loading and loading and loading, and it's quite tedious, you can become quite angry about it. How to fix this into any computer really fast with a unique click? This is what I'm gonna learn to this video, but before I can continue, please take a moment to like this video. After this, go to your keyboard and type Windows plus the letter R, just like this. Another way is go to the start menu, and right here we're gonna type run, just like this. You're gonna open this tab right here. You need to type msconfig, just like this, okay? This match, and click on OK. And you're gonna be able to see this panel right here, the system configuration. And we have the startup selection. We have normal, diagnostic, and selective. Normally, by default, all computers go to selective, okay? But if you change it to diagnostic, click on apply and click on OK, what gonna happen? As soon as you start your computer now, the Windows will only use the necessary information to load the OS, the operator system, okay? No more background programs, no more programs that initialize when you start the computer, no extra things, only the pure and native Windows. This is gonna make your computer start really faster. And after starting, of course, you can open the program that you need, but no need to handle other extra things. Do this, click on OK, and you are good to go. The program is gonna ask you to restart the computer, or you can exit without restart. It's up to you, okay? And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.